Alter also asked the question about, and I know that's a question that pops up in a lot of RMOs. I have been mediating for 6 years. I'm a good standing member of NAPFAM. Can I jump the queue? Can I get accredited, basically? I know most of the RMOs, if you can, I know it's different RMOs, they ask you, how many mediations have you done? And I would say I've done, let's say 20. And then I would say, how many co-mediations have you done? You say you have done 12. How many RF mediations? Then you list them. And so you need proof, and that's how the other mediation associations do it, or RMOs do it, where they say, well, give us a list of how many mediations you've done. Have you done co-mediation, and give us the names and of matters you're involved in, because a lot of mediators are registered at different RMOs.
Yes.
So when you come to MSSA, we have certain standards and we have certain requirements. And like you just said, we're not going to just say, well, look at 3 videos and then we're going to accredit you, or look at, there's different qualifications. So if you can prove, and I'm talking here from my own voice here, Mariki, I don't know if you will support this, but if you can prove that you've done sole mediations, and if you prove you've done co-mediations, then we'll look at accreditation. But we need proof that you've done them, and we need to observe you once or twice, I think, and then I don't think it should be a problem.
I agree with you, Jackie. Yes, I agree. Jackie, I'd like you to take that one because you're on the committee for accreditation. I just want to tell you, Heidi, we've got Errol here. I just want to see we've done shadowing last year. We've done 3 opportunities so far where people have come in with shadowing, and Errol was one of them. We currently have 2 of the mediators on the panel here. Dirk, I think you're doing co-mediation. Can you just unmute yourself?
Yes, Mariki, I've got the privilege to do it with you.
Oh, yeah.
And I've done it. So yeah, it's really excellent opportunity to learn and to gain experience.
And afterwards, we always bounce back, like Sean said. We talk about our mediation. What did we do wrong? What did we do right? And how we can strengthen it. Everybody's got the little black books. So it's not that there's not, Heidi, not opportunities. It's just with the opportunities of the shadowing,